Cotabato City is located on the island of Mindanao. It stands as a bustling hub in the southern Philippines. Known for its rich history and diverse culture, Cotabato City is embracing a bold vision for the future. This vision is NeCotaY City, a groundbreaking project set to redefine urban living in the Philippines. This ambitious endeavor aims to create a smart city that seamlessly blends technology, sustainability, and cultural heritage. It promises a higher quality of life for residents. It also aims to attract investment and boost economic growth. NeCotaY City is poised to become a shining example of innovation and progress in Southeast Asia. This is a testament to the Philippines' commitment to a brighter future. NeCotaY City is not just a city of the future. It's a blueprint for a smarter way of living. Imagine a city where technology anticipates your needs. Picture a place where buildings breathe, where transportation is seamless, and where sustainability is woven into the fabric of everyday life. This is the essence of NeCotaY. At its core, NeCotaY is about using technology to enhance human connection and well-being. This means creating a safe and efficient environment, but it also means fostering a sense of community and belonging. NeCotaY aims to empower its residents with the tools and resources to thrive. It's about building a better future for generations to come. NeCotaY City is designed to be a vibrant tapestry of urban life. It will cater to the diverse needs of its residents. Imagine living in a state-of-the-art apartment complex with breathtaking views of the city. You could walk to work in a thriving commercial district. Spend your weekends enjoying world-class recreational facilities. All of this and more will be within easy reach. NeCotaY will feature a range of residential options from affordable housing to luxury condominiums. Shopping malls, restaurants, and entertainment venues will provide ample opportunities for leisure and recreation. State-of-the-art healthcare facilities will ensure residents have access to the best possible medical care. And of course, no city would be complete without a strong educational system. NeCotaY will boast top-notch schools and universities, preparing future generations for success. What truly sets NeCotaY apart is its commitment to intelligent infrastructure and cutting-edge technologies. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, guided by artificial intelligence. Picture streets illuminated by energy-efficient smart lighting, responding to the needs of the environment. This is the power of NeCotaY's technological backbone. The Internet of Things, IoT, will connect every corner of NeCotaY, from traffic lights to waste management systems. Data analytics will be used to optimize city operations, making them more efficient and responsive to residents' needs. Nanotechnology robots will play a crucial role in maintaining the city's infrastructure, performing tasks like road repairs and environmental monitoring with precision and speed. Section 5, A Green Heartbeat, NeCotaY's commitment to sustainability. NeCotaY City is not just about technological advancement, it's about creating a sustainable future. The city will be a model of environmental responsibility. It will harness the power of renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Green spaces will be integrated throughout the urban landscape, promoting biodiversity and a healthier living environment. Energy-efficient buildings, sustainable transportation systems, and responsible waste management practices will all contribute to NeCotaY's minimal ecological footprint. The city's commitment to sustainability is not just about preserving the environment, it's about creating a healthier and more livable city for generations to come. Section 6. Opportunities abound. Investing in NeCotaY's future. NeCotaY City presents a unique opportunity for investors seeking to be part of a groundbreaking project. The city's focus on innovation and technology makes it an attractive destination for businesses in sectors like renewable energy, biotechnology, and smart infrastructure. The Philippine government is offering incentives to attract foreign investment in NeCotaY. These incentives, combined with the city's strategic location and growing economy, make it an ideal place to do business. Investing in NeCotaY is not just about financial returns. It's about being part of a project that is shaping the future of urban living. Section 7, Global Comparisons, NeCotaY among smart city giants. While NeCotaY is unique in its own right, it's helpful to compare it to other ambitious smart city projects around the world. NEOM in Saudi Arabia, Songdo in South Korea, Masdar in the United Arab Emirates, and Singapore are all pushing the boundaries of urban innovation. Like these projects, NeCotaY is leveraging technology to create a more sustainable and livable urban environment. However, NeCotaY's focus on social inclusion and its integration with the existing cultural fabric of Cotabato City set it apart. NeCotaY aims to be a model for how smart cities can be developed in a way that benefits all segments of society. Section 8. Navigating the path forward. Challenges and opportunities for NeCotaY. As with any ambitious project, NeCotaY City faces its share of challenges. The cost of implementing such advanced technologies and infrastructure is substantial. Ensuring the reliability and security of these systems is paramount. There's also the risk of natural disasters, which are a reality in the Philippines. However, these challenges are outweighed by the tremendous opportunities that NeCotaY presents. The project has the potential to transform Cotabato City into a major economic hub, attracting investment and creating jobs. It can also serve as a testing ground for innovative technologies that can be replicated in other parts of the Philippines and beyond. Section 9. The future unfolds. NeCotaY's potential and financial outlook. The future of NeCotaY City is bright with promise. As the project progresses, demand for housing and commercial space is expected to soar. The influx of businesses and residents will fuel economic growth, making NeCotaY a thriving hub of activity. The financial feasibility of NeCotaY is underpinned by a robust public-private partnership model. The Philippine government is committed to providing the necessary infrastructure and support. Private investors are eager to be part of this transformative project. With careful planning and execution, NeCotaY has the potential to become a shining example of how smart cities can create a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous future for all.